Ibo. Thank you, eh? Thank you. God bless you, eh?
Amen.
Thank you very much. Let me talk to Ifeanyi Chukwu. Tell him not to worry. I'll be fine. I'll wait for you.
Yes, Mama.
And carry your children.
Amen.
Anyone. I know how you feel, eh? I'll be fine. Don't worry. Thank Ibo for me. She's taking care of me. Ego.
Ego, makego. Ego Ibo ngemo. Awama chalacha akuchinyelemo. Mwana busoma. Ego Ibo ngemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego Ibo ngemo.
Ego. It looks like I have to stop here.
Why? You promised to see me home. And have you forgotten? You're supposed to take palm kernel oil to Mama.
Oh, yes, I remember. But
See?
Ego, I need to go to Okoye to see my former employer. Please?
That's true. It's okay.
Thank you, my love. Thank you, huh?
She'll run along, okay?
Yes, I will.
I'll just go home, pick the kernel and give it to Mama myself.
It's okay.
Bye.
Ego, makego. Ego Ibo ngemo. Awama chalacha akuchinyelemo. Mwana busoma. Ego Ibo ngemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego Ibo ngemo. Ego mwakego. Ego Ibo ngemo. Awama chalacha akuchinyelemo. Mwana busoma. Ego Ibo ngemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego Ibo ngemo.
My princess, good afternoon.
My engine just went off. I'm trying to call my mechanic, but he's not picking up. I don't know if you could help me out. I'm sorry.
No, it's just that I was... but it's okay, it's all right. Please, open the bonnet. Gently before you fall, eh? No.
What is the problem?
You know these cars, they have their ways. I will check on it and I'm sure it's a minor problem. My princess, please stay in the car because of the sun. Eh?
Okay,
Please,
thank you.
I will fix it. Eh? What could be the problem? Battery, where's the battery?
How was that day, my princess?
Hectic, Daddy. My car stopped me on the road and I couldn't get across to the mechanic.
I'm sorry. I hope you didn't miss your appointment.
Daddy, you can't believe it. I almost did.
Well, that's serious. But why didn't you send a message so that we can send a guard to come and assist you?
Yeah, Daddy. Actually, I was about doing that before a good son of the land came to my rescue.
Okay. In that case, I think it is time I got a new driver. So Asago is very sick now, so I can be here.
Yeah, Daddy. That's nice. I think that's what I need right now. Oh, Daddy, let me be to my room. But seriously, Daddy, you're looking so tacky. Thank you. All right, now. I'm in my room.
Why you come across?
Hey, Mama. Ego Ibo.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, well.
How are you?
I'm better today, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mama. I bought some things for you that you can use in drinking tea.
Oh, Ego Ibo, all this for me?
Yes, you need it.
Hey. Thank you, Mom.
I also bought some ingredients that you can use in making your favorite masala soup.
Ego Ibo. But you don't need to stress yourself. Eh?
When has taking care of my mother-in-law becomes stress?
Oh, thank you, Mom.
No problem, Mama. Let me go and see how young uncle is. Okay?
Ego Ibo,
Let me help you.
I thought you were supposed to be in the shop.
My brother came back from the market early, so I was asked to go and make dinner.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ego, makego. Ego, ibongemo. Akoma chalacha, akuchi nyelemo. Mwana busoma. Ego, ibongemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego, ibongemo. Ego.
Who is that? Hey! My princess!
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
I know you're surprised to see me.
I am, because I can't remember giving you a description to where I'm staying.
Yes, but I dropped you off at the mechanic where you used to work before. Remember?
Yes, that's true.
So I went there and your boss directed me.
Oh, I see. It's all right. My princess, please come in, okay? Come in, let me offer you a seat, please.
Actually, I'm off to the mall.
To the mall?
But I came regarding our discussion the other day.
Yes.
Well, I've talked to my father about it.
Yes.
And he has agreed to give you a job as a rail driver.
My princess, you can't be serious!
I'm serious! He said you should come and see him at the palace tomorrow morning.
Oh, this is like a dream come true!
It's not, it's for real.
Hey, my princess, you wouldn't know how much you have saved me.
No. You don't have to do this, okay? You're a nice man and you deserve my help.
Thank you very much.
All you need to do is wake up early tomorrow and be at the palace, okay?
Thank you very much. But you know what? My mother should hear this directly from your mouth.
Mama! Nnamani!
Thank you very much.
No. Sit down, my son. Sit down.
Your Majesty, I must thank you for giving me this opportunity. And again, for saving my mother and I from starvation.
You're welcome. All I need from you is sincerity and diligence to your job.
That, Your Majesty, I promise you.
Okay. My daughter here, Amara, will now introduce you to other palace aides.
Thank you, my
Amara.
Thank you. Alright, come here.
Thank you very much. Obi, I cannot believe it. You will not believe it. What is happening? That of all the able-bodied men in this village, those with muscle, those ones that are big, it is me, Ifeanyi, that God decided to favor with the appointment of a royal driver.
Obi. Thank God. It's God's thing.
Hey, Rebecca, welcome.
What are you still doing here? Did I ask you to come to the shop and change me while I come home to wash my jeans?
Yes, you did.
So what are you still doing standing here? My friend, carry your foolish self inside and get my food. Before I lose my customers.
I greeted your brother and he did not answer me.
Don't even bother about it. You should run along now, okay? Go home and share the good news with Mama.
Are you still here? Come on, get inside and get my food.
Not be very stubborn.
Ifeanyi Chukwunwa.
Mama?
It's the Chineke. I thank God for making us see today. I bless him for remembering us.
I bless him more, Mama. Do you know something? I cannot wait to resume work, earn my first salary, and make you happy.
And there you go, my son.
Oh, Mama, ego. Ego is always in my budget. First in the budget. Ego, Jesus. Mama, I'm very happy. Very, very happy.
You live in the palace like other staff and go home once a week. But because of your mother's illness, I will extend your day off to 2 days in a week.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. Thank you very much for your kindness.
You are welcome. And lastly, I've instructed my daughter to make funds available to you so that you use it to take better care of your mother.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. Thank you.
That's right. You may go now.
Thank you very much.
I'll be in there for like an hour or two. So you just relax in the car, okay?
Yes, my princess.
Here is some money in case you want to eat or drink anything. Alright?
Okay, how many? 2. And what again?
And biscuits.
Thank you.
Ego 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 ibo nke mo akwa mma chalacha akuchi nyere mo wana bosoma ego ibo nke mo.
So the princess allows you to drive her car?
What are you talking? Even the king, I drive everybody, you know.
Hey, whoa. Thank you for coming.
It's okay. I drive not only the king, everybody. I'm the chief driver. I'm the royal king driver.
Are you serious?
Yes. How are you?
Fine.
I actually took the princess to the shopping mall. Okay, dropped her there, and I went to buy petrol. So I used the opportunity. I sneaked away yourself to come and see your beautiful face. You know, and then what's coming?
You should go back before the
Petrol. And then I came to give you this money.
Money?
Yes.
We were only just there working, so where did you get this money from?
Oh, Ego Ibo, are you underestimating me? I am the royal chief driver. The chief pilot. I pilot all the cars in the palace. I drive the king, I drive the princess, every car inside the palace. This is just part of my allowance. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Obi.
I don't want you to. I don't want him to look for you. Go.
Hey, let me go before the princess begins to look for me, eh? Take care of yourself, eh?
Wait.
Eh? What is it? No, take it easy before you spoil the lock, eh? Let me, hold on. Okay. Let me go, eh? Let me go before.
Ego makego ego ibo nke mo akwa mma chalacha akuchi nyere mo wana bosoma ego ibo nke mo.
This fool. I will improve public school if I become governor. Hey! Hello, son. Hello? Yes? How are you, son? I'm great. Yeah. You see, it's great to know. Are you serious? Wow. That's the greatest news I've had today. When exactly are you coming back? Is that soon? Oh, okay. Your brother is coming back just now.
father. Her name is Barbara Osai.
That's right.
She's a lawyer. And we graduated from same university back in the UK.
That's right.
Hails from this local government, Umisu to be precise.
Okay.
And she's the lady I want to marry.
Is that? Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Oh, my daughter, what is your other name?
Onyekachuku, Your Majesty.
I'll prefer to call you that. Onyekachuku, eh? That's right. You're welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
So, your parents are back there in Umuisu?
Yes, Your Majesty. But just my mother. My late father, Dr. Sai, left us a few years back.
Oh, I'm sorry. Amara.
Yes, Daddy.
Please take her to her room.
All right. This is lovely. How come you knew my size so perfectly?
Oh, come on. Have you forgotten you sent me lots of pictures? Plus, your brother was always on my case. Buy my sister this, buy my sister that, buy my sister this. I'm really glad you like them.
Now I see. I love them. They're fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love this. This is lovely.
Yeah, particularly, I love the color.
Me too.
The sequence, everything is beautiful.
Mama. Mama, Ego Amaka, money is good. Mama, you need to see the kind of respect the king and all the chiefs in the palace gave to the prince and his fiancée when they came. It was too much, Mama. Hey, I wouldn't want to know. Mama, at a point, I felt, oh, why is it not me in his shoes?
Are you serious?
In fact, Mama, if you see the young man in question, the prince himself, he is a complete definition of the word royalty.
Mom, Ego Amaka.
Ego Amaka, Mama.
Ego the mom. And one day, this money will attend your palms.
Ami, Mama. You see, my sister, you are a very beautiful woman. A woman that can appeal to any man, including the high and mighty. But you see, sometimes it pains me that you're still here, with no reasonable man to call your own.
But I do have a man who loves me and who wants to get married to me.
Are you serious? You mean you've met a man that wants to marry you and I don't know?
Why are you pretending like you don't know I have a relationship with Ifeanyi?
My friend, shut up. I am talking money and you're here talking nonsense. Are you not even ashamed of that beggar?
He's not a beggar.
That doesn't even have a decent job.
Of course he has a decent job in the palace.
Alright, tell me about it. Has the king employed him as a boy?
He's not a boy. He's the king's official pilot. And his employee loves him.
There you go again. Boy again. Wait a minute. Is that what he told you? Royal pilot. Which airline does he work with?
I'm tired. I need to go and sleep.
Why won't you feel sleepy when you are allergic to hearing the truth and taking advice? Go and sleep.
Ego, ego, ego ibo nkemo. Akwamma chalacha akuchi nyelemo.
You know, she's the first child to her parents. And the mom is aware she came back yesterday, but had to see us first. So I want to drop her off this morning.
That's all right, but make sure she comes back soonest.
Yeah, by the weekend, she'll be back with us. So I'll come back to us.
Then drop her off.
Thank you.
Just a minute. Please make sure you go with your guard.
Oh, I'm fine.
For security.
Sorry for the delay.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Open it. Open it. Oh. Hey. Man, seeing the face of the food, you know that it is worth the waiting. Eh? Hey. Hey.
The prince requires your presence at once.
Hey. Let me call him. Tell him I'm eating, please.
He said immediately.
Can I eat at least half of it?
You know you don't keep the prince waiting.
Never. Please. Keep the food for me, okay? Come back.
Where are your shoes?
Sorry, sir. I took them off. I was rushing to come and open the door for you, so I couldn't wear them back.
Daft. So you can't do two things at the same time, eh?
My guy, come up from here. Make a shout. Make a shout. I say, come on.
My friend, what are you doing there?
Nothing, sir. I want.
Will you come and take me to Nnamani?
Sorry, sir.
I see.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just call me when you're less busy, okay?
Alright, sure I will. Alright, take care.
My prince, please, I'd like to ease myself.
What's the meaning of that rubbish? Move this car! I have a meeting to attend.
My prince, please, I'm very, very pressed, please.
Shut up! Are you mad? Oh, you even talk while I talk!
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, I should sit in here and wait while you go ease yourself. Must I move this car?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
I'm sure you still pee on the bed in the night! At your age!
No.
What a daft! I said it! I hate this guy! I said it! There was something about... Gods!
It was a mistake. It wasn't...
Jack this man! Lock him up in an empty room without food or water until I say otherwise!
But please, I'm sorry. I was very pressed. I was very pressed. I was very pressed. Very, very pressed. I was very pressed.
Be on your peeing in that empty room! Daft! A fool at 40 is a fool forever! What a shame!
Oh God. Tell me, what is it that couldn't wait till I come down for breakfast?
Obi, it's about yesterday. I think you should please forgive the driver and release him.
Are you the one now to tell me when I'll release my prisoner?
But it was a mistake and he has apologized.
Wait a minute. You mean you woke me up from my sweet sleep just to discuss that fool? Enough. I don't want to discuss that. He will remain there until I change my mind.
For God's sake, girls, how can a full-grown man pee on his trouser?
Yeah! Oh! My dear, some adults are like that. Yeah. Maybe it's a sickness or something.
Sickness, kid. Forget it.
But I heard he pleaded with the prince to let him ease himself. But the man refused.
My dear, forget it. You could have told it when he gets to this place. Why soil the man's car with urine?
Oh! I'm a bother.
Kai! And when will you girls learn to concentrate on your jobs
and leave gossips. When?
I don't know what that young man did, but all I'm saying is that get him out immediately.
But father, that guy is an idiot. I don't just like him. The mere sight of him irritates me.
Oh son, you don't say this type of thing. You are going to be a king one day, and when time comes, your subjects expect you to be a calm and peace-loving king.
But this has nothing to do with my being a good king or not. But okay, I've heard you. It's just that I don't like dullards. That guy is empty.
It's okay. Just give the keys to the guards and let him be released at once, please.
Okay, I've heard you.
Aha. Take. Have it. Good. The prince instructs that you thoroughly wash the interior and exterior of this car, the other 2 cars, and the jeep. And that is the only condition you can get yourself out of this mess that you are into now.
I have heard.
Okay.
Ifeanyi, I went to your quarters to serve you food, but we are not there. I figured that you'd be here. Why are you crying? Is it because of the incident that happened yesterday? Forget it. We all know how the prince behaves.
He disgraced me. He humiliated me. My fellow man, a man like me, doing that to me. Now all the maids in the palace now see me as a laughing stock. A fellow man like me.
I understand, please. Forget it. Eh? I will talk to the maids. I will. Yeah. I will.
Yes, my princess.
Have that. Take these materials to my tailor, huh? Tell her I will come pick them up on Friday, right?
Yes, my princess.
And that reminds me, I'm really sorry for what transpired between you and my brother the other day. I want you to please forget about it. And please, don't allow it to affect your job, right?
Yes, my princess.
You can go now. Okay.
He sees me as the devil himself.
Are you sure you didn't do anything to him?
I did not do anything to him. You know, he just hates me. I noticed him from the very first day we went to pick him up from the airport. You know, my sight irritates him.
It's okay.
How?
It's well, okay? Everything will be fine. Okay? So, by the way, where were you going?
The princess sent me on an errand.
Okay. Why do you wish to do this? No, you have to start going so that you don't keep her waiting.
I have to come and see you.
It's okay, I'm fine.
Okay. All right.
I'll see you in the night.
Take care of yourself.
him.
Alright. You're welcome. Thank you.
So how's everyone at home?
Mom is cool. My kid brother is on holiday, so he's home.
Good, good. How did your discussion go?
Smooth. They said you and your people can come anytime you're ready.
How can we get going? I'm ready.
Oh, please, are you kidding me? At this time of the night?
Sure. I can't wait. I can't
wait too, but
see that? I'm excited about this news, you know.
Maybe me too. I can't wait to be around.
As you know, her father is late. All she's got now is her mom and kid brother. But she told me that they discussed with their uncles and they said we are ready to come anytime we choose.
Oh, that's very good. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy. Then, when do you want us to go?
It's your decision to make that.
My decision?
Yes, Lord.
1 market week from today.
1 market week?
1 market week.
As in 4 days? Yeah. Wow, I'm excited. I'm counting my days. You know? But we are going to... You know, this is a toast to our evergreen relationship. To our traditional marriage coming up in a few weeks' time. And of course, a toast to our born babies.
Wow. As you see, I can't wait.
Do you know we are actually alone in this house now?
Really? So, what do you have in mind?
We don't need the bed for anything now.
I should think so.
You're looking very hot this evening.
Just like you are, dear.
I think I'm done. Here we go. This is the list of items we need to shop for this week and probably next week.
24 cows, 50 bags of rice,
Yeah.
30 cooling vans.
Oh yes.
Come on. What do you need all this for?
For my only brother's traditional marriage, of course.
Amara, please stop exaggerating. This is too much. It is a marriage, not a festival.
The marriage of the future queen of this clan is not just. But it's a great occasion which must happen once in a lifetime. So my dear, this event is more than a festival to me. And my brother is the one and only prince of this clan. You know what?
Amara.
But wait. But seriously, you know me, I'm not a loud person. But for this, I'll go louder.
Like seriously?
Should we add anything?
Like seriously? Please.
My fellow cabinet chiefs, we all know the issue on the ground. The prince's marriage is coming up few nights from now. Each and every one of us here represents each community in this kingdom. So we all have been assigned the duty of taking charge of all the foods, the drinks that each community will take that day.
That's all right. Reverend Sister Akwaniko.
By this time tomorrow, we all are going to meet with the wedding planner to know how to go about our duty.
My cabinet members and elders, I thank you and I appreciate the interest you've shown on this matter so far. But one thing, I wouldn't like anybody, any son or daughter of this community to complain of food or drink. We should take good care of everybody, should be taken good care of. Because I've provided everything, food, drink, and whatsoever, even souvenirs.
Igwe! Hey! Igwe, you need to see the preparation for this marriage. The way I'm seeing it, it is going to be the best marriage ever around this area.
Obim, you don't have to tell me. I mean, just imagining it alone.
Hey!
Wow. Wow. Being the only child of a king. That wedding will sure be explosive. I know.
Yes, so that is why I brought you this money, okay? So you can go to the market and buy yourself a beautiful dress that you wear on that day.
When will you come and give her money to shop and buy things for her own marriage?
Emeka, you're welcome.
Hey, my friend, don't welcome me. Go out there and make money like your mates and stop deceiving my sister.
Emeka, why are you talking like this? Ego and I, we have great plans for ourselves. I am not deceiving your sister.
Hey, save me those explanations, my friend. I know you've had this plan since you were a child. And if at this stage you've not achieved any of them, I advise you think twice. Hey, my friend, shut up! Let me talk to this fool. Nonsense.
Emeka, I'm your future in-law.
Mama, what is it that troubles you, my son?
I don't blame Emeka. I do not blame Emeka at all. If not for poverty, if not for opium, will a little boy, Washishi, a boy I watched grow up, be comfortable to insult me? Ifeanyi, Mama! Hey, God!
Come, my son. Come, my son. Sit down. My son, this life is like a mirror. What you sow, you must reap.
Mama, I know. Mama, I know, but I just wish that God will give me a little money. A little money to teach this boy a lesson. Teach him a very good lesson, Mama. A little boy insults me. Hey! Chineke on anyway, God, are you alive?
Ifeanyi, what you should pray for is that God will bless you.
Hey, Mama.
If God blesses you, my son, you will be able to live up to your responsibilities. I'm not Emeka, my son.
Hey, Mama. Washishi, a little boy I watched grow up, insults me. Hey, God.
My son,
God will remember you one day. You won't die in this suffering. He must remember you. He must remember you, my son.
Take this to my wife and sister at the mall that you dropped them yesterday. And this time, make sure you don't pee in my car.
Yes, my prince.
Oh, shut up. Don't print me. Keep moving.
My son, where are we with the arrangement?
If you ask me, on my side, everything is perfect. What is remaining for me now is to sit down, relax, and wait for the D-Day.
Oh, that's very good. That's very good. To you ladies, where are we?
Father, as my brother said, we are set in our own wing. We've made every necessary arrangements down to the very least.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Yes, Your Majesty. Everything is in order, thanks to Amara and my mother.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Thank you very much for all your efforts. In that case, I will now retire to my room. Satisfied. Thank you.
My fellow mates, I called for this meeting to discuss a very important issue. We all know that the king is celebrating the marriage ceremony of his son in a few days. And because of his affluence in the state, an unimaginable crowd will be here to celebrate with us. Friends and foes. So we need to be on our guard and make sure that nothing goes wrong that day. And as well, respect ourselves. And you know what that means? To avoid having our jobs on the line. So later this evening, the princess will be here to assign to each and every one of us our duty for that day. So for now, we can as well return to our various duties. But before then, make sure that you pass the information across to the other maids in the palace. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am serious.
I'm very happy today that Obinna has got a wife, and I have to appreciate and thank all of you for making it possible. I thank also members of my family, the Red Cap chiefs, the public, the musicians, all of you that took part in this ceremony. I remain grateful to you. So you relax and enjoy yourself. There are a lot of drinks, food, and everything is in surplus, even souvenirs. Thank you very much, my people. Thank you.
Spent money on this wedding. Too much money, I'm telling you. I see the whole village is here and the whole village are eating.
I'm telling you. Good evening, my princess.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. Good evening. Ifeanyi, I can see you're really enjoying yourself.
Yes, well, small. My princess, let me introduce to you my fiancée. Her name is Ego.
Ego, you're welcome.
Good evening.
Ifeanyi, come with me to the store. Let me give you something for your friend.
Okay.
Excuse me. You're welcome.
Thank you. Brother, the wedding was beautiful. If you see what our people were doing there, I mean, they actually just embarrassed themselves. Like Mama Obina brought 50 liters of empty jerry can and she turned every available drink that she could find inside that can. And I also saw some people putting meat and rice inside their bag. Like seriously. Brother, I will not lie to you. I had fun. Everybody had fun. Everybody. It was so nice. Oh.
Ha! People of Amankwa and their long throats.
I won't say it's long throat, you know, because everything was in excess. People had to eat. That's why it was there. Our people ran away from food. Can you beat that?
Anyway, that is true. The number of cows and drinks the royal household provided for this occasion are all over the local government.
I even got 5 glass plates as thanks for coming.
And their money is good though.
Thanks for coming for a wedding that I was practically not even invited for.
You had fun though?
Oh yes, everything was good. I know they spent a lot of money. Just like a dream wedding. Something you just see in movies.
What is it?
I brought something for you.
What the hell is that?
My prince is a baby bicycle.
What am I going to do?
I brought it as my wedding present to you and your wife.
As in, I'm a kid. Or I have kids yet. You see why I say you're senseless?
Man, move this rubbish out of here!
Baby, this is a prayer for us to have children. There's nothing wrong with it. Ifeanyi, thank you very much. Please, let me have it. Bring it here. Thank you. Let me have it.
What was that you did outside?
Maybe I should be asking you that. What did you do that for? I mean, the young man meant no harm.
Listen, wifey. This should be the last time you disrespect me in public. And this should be the very last time you teach my staff to be rude to me.
Oh no, baby, I did no such thing. And I have no intentions of doing anything like that ever. Sweetie, I just felt you were just unnecessarily hard on the young man. Ifeanyi is a good man.
I hate that name. And as long as he remains my subject, I can treat him in whatever manner I deem fit.
Baby! This is crazy. How can you just hate someone that has done nothing wrong to you?
My dear, I have never seen a kiss like this before. I mean, good day, my princess. Oh, good day, babe. Thank you. I mean, the man has done him no wrong, but he still treats him as if the man killed his wife.
But that's not nice. It's not nice at all. I mean, we are all human. He should not treat him like trash. is really unacceptable.
Did I just hear you say trash? Trash or slave? My brother has practically turned an innocent man to a slave.
But why? Why is he doing that? No, this is not nice. It's not nice. Oh. Seriously, I don't get it. I don't.
My prince,
Your Majesty,
today is the 14th day after your marriage, and I and the Council of Elders have decided to honor you with the bracelet of authority, which entitles you to ascend the throne as the king in event of the passing on of the present king, which is my humble self.
You will live long, Your Majesty.
Thank you, my prince. You may kneel. Odogun.
Good day, my princess.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess. I came to drop the car keys.
Okay. You can drop it on the table.
Hey, single.
Hi, bro.
Good day, my princess. My prince.
What do you have in that bag?
My clothes.
So what are your clothes doing in my living room?
Obi, Ifeanyi here came to drop the keys for the week.
Drop the keys for the week? Today is Friday. How do you know?
Yeah. Ifeanyi had a special off period approved by father because he got a sick mother back home.
So what has that got to do with his duty in this palace as a driver? And look, that his off period, whatever, has to be reviewed. Because he cannot be different from the other staff. That will be discriminatory and very unacceptable to me. Mr. Man, you pick those keys. Go out there and clean that Jeep very well. Because tomorrow morning, you're taking my wife to the village. First thing.
Obi, the man is on break, and as you can see, he's on his way.
You heard me. Except you're no longer interested in this job.
I'm sorry, alright? You know how my brother behaves at times. I'm sorry.
Amarachukwu, I'm talking to you. Where is Barbara?
Becky, if you're looking for your wife, you check the guest room. But if you're looking for Barbara, your ex-wife, I advise you catch the next flight to UK. And God help you when you find her.
What's the meaning of next flight, UK, guest room, whatever?
Simple. Barbara is no longer interested in the marriage and she has traveled back to UK.
I take that as an expensive joke.
You can ask the palace aide, but better still, ask the man whose wife you stole. He was the one that dropped her off at the airport.
Okay, Ifeanyi conspired with my wife to run away from me. Okay, now I can get it. Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi!
My prince.
Come here, come here. Come here! Where's my wife?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
While you dropped her at the airport? Okay, so it was a conspiracy, eh?
No.
No! She told me you dropped her and you're lying! Guards! Okay.
My prince, no.
Guards!
My prince,
take this man. Strike him! I'm following. This man. Remove his vest! Remove his shirt! Go and get the phone.
I just drove the car.
Strike this man.
Please, I'm sorry. I know where I dropped her.
Strike him.